Introducing the Mr. BBQ Steam Clean Brush. Powered by Scrub Daddy technology, the innovative design features bristle-free construction for a cleaning head that's safer and more effective. Its core is made from Scrub Daddy's exclusive Flex Texture foam, which responds to water temperature, flexible when hot and rigid when cold. It's covered in an Armor-Tech steel mesh outer that, unlike wire bristles, is resistant to breakage and rust. Prep by preheating your grill to 300 degrees. Submerge the head in ice water and apply directly to the hot grates. The rigid Flex Texture foam inside muscles through stuck-on food debris, then gradually softens, conforming to the grates for thorough cleaning. Tear-resistant stainless steel mesh is strong enough to tackle last year's baked-on grease. For stubborn debris, flip to use the integrated steel scraper. Let that steam melt away built-up grime and make those grill grates shine. Just use warm water to clean your brush after each use.